So guys, on latest activities on Binance, it says near fans can learn and earn near tokens, $100,000 rewards for grabs. This update is going to run from 23rd. Okay, promotion period is from 23rd of December to 29th. So it's going to run for 6 days. So you click register here. I'll be dropping the link here so you guys can get access to this. But they're apparently giving out $70,000 reward prize pool for participants who trade near tokens. So those people that are familiar with this token, they know that these near token is already they are doing their airdrop, their near learn and earn campaign. They just did it. I think it's still available on CoinMarketCap, so you can check it out. If you're lucky enough, you get free near tokens once you learn about it. But now basically you can trade and get up to $8,000 for first place. Second place gets $6,000. And guys, I think this is mad, because how do you get $8,000 for just trading tokens, and you are still going to make profit from them if you trade well, if you are good with trading. So he said it all depends on the volume of trades that you are able to come up with. So this is basically the whole terms and conditions. So the link is here, the form is here where you can get it, and these are the eligible pairs. We have near against USDT, near against BTC, and against BNB. So those are the eligible on just those three trades. So please make sure that you fill the Google form correctly. So guys, we're going to try and go over to this Google form. This is the form where you fill. Once you fill the form, they will be asking you for there are questions here where which you need to answer. Once you are able to answer those questions, you are good to go. So the first question talks about what is near. So what is near sharding, and I think there's bound to be a video here, but I think so. So once you learn, you can watch this video, learn about it, and you're good to go. Meanwhile, okay, say which of the one of the following is possible. Say, so I'm going to come up with the answers, then drop it so you guys can get aware. So you guys, we have done we've tried as much as possible to do the questions. Well, you still have to make your own research, but this is what we've been able to come up with. So you want to make your own research. Where we're currently having issues, I don't know, but this is number 4, and some of the answers, we're more sure about them. We are more sure about some than others, so you want to check out and make your research. So that's it, guys. So once you're done, you click on submit and you're good to go. So guys, peace out, stay safe. It's your boy Keys. Thanks for watching. See you in our future uploads. Don't forget to research and compare, guys. Just research and compare the answers before you push through. Stay safe.